Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Emby and Jellyfin. Emby is a polished media server that makes it easy to organize and stream your movies, TV shows, music, and photos across multiple devices. It offers apps for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku and Fire TV. Emby supports user profiles, parental controls, live TV, and DVR features. Many features are built in and easy to use, though some advanced options require a paid Premier subscription. The Emby website also provides helpful guides, a knowledge base, and links to apps and plugins. On the other hand, Jellyfin is a completely free and open-source media server that lets you organize your personal media library and stream it to multiple devices. It supports Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and many streaming devices. Jellyfin emphasizes privacy with no ads, no tracking, and all features available without subscriptions. Advanced features may require some manual configuration, and the website provides community forums, detailed setup guides, and links to plugins and apps to expand functionality. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Jellyfin is 100% free and open source with no paywalls, offers strong privacy, and provides solid multi-device support. On the negative side, its interface and setup are less polished than paid options, and some advanced features may require manual tweaks. On the positive side, Emby is user-friendly with built-in remote streaming, profiles, live TV and DVR support, and polished apps across platforms. On the negative side, many powerful features require Emby Premier, making it a costlier long-term. Overall, if you want an easy-to-use, polished media server with built-in streaming and advanced features, Emby is a better choice. If you prefer a completely free, privacy-focused server and don't mind doing a bit of setup, Jellyfin is the better option in 2026. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.